Every AI company says its model is the best. Elon Musk even calls Grok 4 the smartest in the world.
This is the smartest AI in the world.
Meanwhile, Anthropic Claude AI claims Claude 4 is unbeatable at code. But hype doesn't help us build apps or solve problems. So in this video, I will test Grok 4 versus Claude for side by side. And by the end, you'll know which one you can actually rely on. Hey, I'm Brunel Jude, and welcome to AIChief, where we break down the latest AI tools, news, and tips. You can also join the free AIChief newsletter. The link is in the description. We're testing Claude versus Grok 4, specifically Claude Opus 4 and Grok 4. We will test the same prompts, side by side, and score them on speed, accuracy, and clarity. Let's see who wins. First up, let's see which AI actually helps you fix code without wasting hours. We'll run the same task on both. Think of it as Claude Sonnet versus Grok 4 coding. And since people keep asking, yes, this is basically a Grok 4 versus Claude Opus 4 on coding tasks showdown. I paste in the same prompt and I hit enter in Grok 4, and wow, it spits out the answer really fast. The code runs with no errors, but barely any comments. Now, let's check out the Claude 4. This one takes longer, but it's cleaner. It explains the bug, shows the fix, and documents the new feature. Honestly, it feels more like someone's walking me through it. So here, Grok 4 versus Claude 4 coding comes down to style. Grok is your sprinter, Claude is your teacher. If you need quick results, Grok is the best. And if you want maintainable code, Claude would be a great option. All right, but code is one thing. What about reasoning puzzles? Let's test that from Claude Opus 4 versus Grok 4, which AI actually thinks step by step instead of hallucinating. I ask both the same question, and here are the results. So with Grok, the answer comes out super direct. It just adds the two speeds, divides the distance, and says, yep, they'll meet in an hour. Really quick, really practical, nothing extra. On the other hand, Claude 4 also gets 1 hour, but it explains this differently. It walks through the logic step by step and even mentions the covered distance accurately. It feels more like a careful breakdown than a straight shot answer. So if you like detailed, step-by-step breakdowns, that's Claude. And for those who prefer to get quick reasoning and clean answers, Grok nails it. So far, we have analyzed both AI tools from a coding and reasoning perspective. Why not examine them for real-time updates? This is where Grok AI versus Claude AI really shows the difference. This is where the Super Grok 4 Heavy versus Claude 4.1 Opus comparison gets interesting. Let's give the same prompt, as we are doing to both AI tools. And Grok 4 instantly pulls fresh updates, real-time posts, headlines, and even Grok AI review-style summaries with links. You can see it feels like a live newsfeed. However, Claude 4 doesn't browse live, but it gives legislative summaries, background notes, and sourced context. It looks more like an analysis than headlines. For breaking AI news, Grok did a splendid job. But if you want a deeper, review-style context, Claude 4 would be a great pick for you. We've already explored how both AI tools stack up in terms of coding, reasoning, and real-time updates. Let's head to the final decision. For coding, Grok is much faster than Claude, but Claude is more polished. Classic Claude versus Grok 4. For reasoning, Grok is straightforward. Claude offers step-by-step solutions. That's your Claude 4.1 versus Grok 4 trade-off. And for live updates, Grok is a clear winner, especially when comparing Grok 4 Heavy to Claude 4.1 Opus. At its core, Claude is your steady coder. Grok is your fast mover with search. So here's the bottom line for Claude Opus 4 versus Grok 4. If you're a developer or student working on bigger projects and need clean, structured code, Claude is the safer pick. And for a content creator or someone who needs quick reasoning and real-time info, the Grok 4 is the one that saves you time. Most people probably use both. But if you can only pay for one, now you know where to start. If this comparison helps you, make sure to subscribe to AIChief. We strive to keep breaking down the latest AI benchmarks. Whether it's a ChatGPT 5 review, a Grok AI versus Claude AI comparison, or the latest AI tools that boost research and productivity, AIChief is your go-to platform. And don't miss subscribing to our newsletter for weekly AI news, AI tool reviews, comparisons like this one, and much more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next build.